In today's video, I am going to show you a simple watercolor painting, again using just one color. This is of a mountain landscape with surreal elements and water reflection. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to see the end result. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy this video and would like to see more from me. Click that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Let's go! I started off with a pencil outline and now I'm going over those outlines with paint and filling in the mountain with a little wash off colour. Pretty much mark making at this stage and outlining the moon behind the mountain. Next is outlining everything using less water and more paint, which will give you a darker shade. A little tip for those beginners is if you want a lighter or darker shade of one color, use more water for lighter shades and less water to keep it darker. Another tip is to test this out on a spare piece of paper before going in onto your painting. That way you will have a little bit more of an understanding and an idea of just how much water to use. Okay, now it is time to start shading and mark out where you would like to place some trees. Do this by pressing the paintbrush down to the paper. This will help you create the shape of the trees by going up in a triangle shape. Have some paper towel with you. It can act like a sponge, which helps to remove any extra water and can help you lighten up the paint. This is your chance to bring out your inner creativity. I went in and added some smaller trees, but this is totally up to you. And I played around with the shades of the trees. Then I moved on to the bottom of the paper, adding in the water area. I had a little play around and had some fun with this bit. Now this is the real fun part. Add paint and plenty of water to the paintbrush to get the paint to drip down the paper. Place the drips wherever you like. I pretty much just kept going until I was happy with it. Splatter some paint by adding water and paint to the paintbrush and hold the paintbrush above the paper. Bend the hairs back like in the video and release. The paint will splatter onto the paper. Darkening and adding detail. I forgot to mention that all of the materials and mediums and everything else I use in the video will be listed in the description below. was going to place some trees here, but later on I changed my mind. Next, I go back to the reflection area to make it look more like water. It is the next day and I have allowed the paper to dry overnight. I decided to go back in and darken areas of the painting. Bye bye trees. Just keep going until you are happy with it. I went back and added in more drips and splatters just to finish it off. I just want to say a really big thank you to all my subscribers. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, stay creative. Bye!